Many of us don't realise that cool air is not the only thing leaving the air conditioner. Condensation caused by high temperatures and humidity provides a breeding ground for harmful microorganisms, which build up and enter the air you breathe, triggering allergic reactions and respiratory problems. Gelair is a safe and environmentally friendly way to eliminate dangerous mould and bacteria, leaving you and your family healthier and happier. We proudly use only quality tested Australian tea tree oil, which acts as a powerful and natural sanitizer, killing mould and bacteria living in your air conditioner. Our patented Gelair products are sold all over the world and are excellent for cleaning the air in homes of any size, as well as yachts, large marine vessels and oil platforms. Contact us today and take the first step to making your air cleaner and your body healthier. As scientific research shows, Gelair is simple and it works.